So we have earlier learnt about the digestive system. Now let's make a working model to better understand how the food is processed in our body and how we get the energetic juices out of the food. For that, you will need some things such as orange juice, water, cream crackers, banana, metal tray, plastic cups, paper cup, a sealed plastic bag, half a pair of tights, and scissors. Now, what we need to do is, we need to put all the different food materials inside this plastic bag, and then we'll seal it. Now, what exactly will happen here? Well, this bag will work as stomach. And you see, as the food is being churned, this is exactly what happens inside a stomach. This is the movement of food inside the stomach. And then it converts into a pulpy material. And this pulpy material will then go into the small intestine. So all the food will slowly move into the small intestine. So you see, all the food is being poured into the tube-like structure, which is nothing but small intestine. And in the small intestine, all the liquidy part of the food is separated, that is, juices from the food is separated, and what's left behind is the waste. And all these juices are used up in our body for getting energy. So you see, all these different things are first churned in the stomach, and then they go into the small intestine where useful juices are extracted or separated from the waste, and then the waste is passed on into the large intestine. So digestive system helps us extract all those important juices from the food, and we do that with the help of the mouth, the esophagus, the stomach, the small intestine, the liver, and finally the waste product is transferred into the large intestine. So this system together makes up the digestive system in our body. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge, or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English, and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You also get amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it's rewarding too. So register for free now.